Alright, so this is a test of the Spektrum Quick Connect feature. Running the Spektrum DX7 SE, AR7100 receiver, 5 digital servos, and a gyro. Cyclic servos get straight 8.4 volts from a 2-cell LiPo. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and turn the radio on, and I have a switch right here. I'm going to turn the receiver on. Okay, it's connected with the orange light and also the blue power light on the receiver. And then what I'll do is I'll shut it off. Okay, that's showing that receiver's off. And then I'll turn it back on. You can see how quick it connects. And we're back connected. Everything's working. And the receiver is blinking, stating that it had a power failure, to let you know that it did actually lose connection.